Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PiggyVest promo strategy for new user, and here's a breakdown. If you are new to PiggyVest and want extra bonus value right from the start, using promo strategy the right way can give your savings a big head start. First, watch the app for promo code. PiggyVest often drop them during seasons, holiday or app milestones, and entering a valid code when you sign up or fund your first savings can earn you bonus cash right away. Another smart move is to use the referral program. Share your unique link with friends and family, and when they join and start saving, both of you earn a referral bonus directly into your PiggyVest. Combining promo codes with active referral is one of the easiest ways to boost your balance quickly without adding extra money from your pocket. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more beginner tips, and comment which promo code you would like to use first for your first deposit on PiggyVest. And that's it.